Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com and your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Monday morning forecast update. Kicking off a new week here. We had a lot of clouds over the weekend, which held us in the 70s, so we're going to get rid of the clouds today. So we've got some more sun coming in, so your high temperatures in the 80s throughout the week, but actually pretty nice week. We'll have low humidity, which will, even though we'll be in the 80s, keep it pretty comfortable for mid to late May here. And the one day we're watching for some scattered storms will be Wednesday, so that pattern that we had last week where we kind of saw the daily thunderstorms each day is going away for us. Looks like the rain may kick back in as we head into next week, but it will be kind of difficult to find some of those cooling rain showers over the next week or so. But even though we won't see the rain today and we'll see more sun, I think it will be an absolutely wonderful Monday here, as we'll be in the 60s at sunrise with the low humidity that will kind of keep us in the 60s and 70s this morning. And even though we'll reach the low to mid 80s, slightly below average this afternoon, even in the 80s, it will feel pretty nice with the low humidity. And thankfully, we'll have that north wind throughout the week, so we really don't have much humidity in the forecast until we get later in Memorial Day weekend. So even though it is warming up this week, don't be discouraged by that. I think you'll enjoy the weather, especially the mornings here, as we'll be in the 50s and low 60s to start out your Monday. Kind of a wide look at the region. Again, the weekend cloud cover is kind of shifting to the southeast here. We still have a little disturbance over here in West Texas, and that will be a little area we're watching to maybe bring us some storms on Wednesday, but we really have a lot of dry air kind of building across South Texas and being pulled into the Arklatex, which will, again, kind of erode that cloud cover for us today. So mostly sunny. Your highs will be in the low to mid 80s, which is just a few degrees below average, and kind of going through most of the week here on your Robins Toyota Futurecast. Again, a few clouds early this morning, but likely mostly sunny to partly cloudy for the afternoon, and likely just a partly cloudy day tomorrow. Again, Wednesday may be the one day where we do get that chance of seeing a few showers and storms this week. And even with the rain in the forecast on Wednesday, it won't be a lot of it. So again, just some scattered light to moderate rainfall across the region, and it doesn't appear that we'll see any kind of severe weather threat on Wednesday. And behind that system on Wednesday, we definitely dry out again late this week and into the weekend. So daytime highs will just kind of stay here in the mid to upper 80s. The overnight lows will be comfortable throughout the week thanks to the humidity. And once we get into May and June, when you look at the 7-day forecast, first thing to look at is kind of that wind direction. So as long as we have that north wind, our temperatures even in the 80s will stay fairly comfortable, but it looks like that north breeze may break down late in the weekend, so may have some 90-degree highs late Memorial Day weekend and maybe into Memorial Day early next week.